This works in 10 seconds or less. It's based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. I personally use this technique almost every time I desire to manifest something important in my life. It's absolutely astonishing results. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, very excited about our new book, 1111 Magical Affirmations. They're affirmations for almost every situation. Now, the book will be everywhere soon. But in the meantime, I've placed a link in the description here. You can go there and order your book now. So, high flyers, I'm excited to bring you this technique. I believe that when you start using it, you're going to see astonishing results in your life. I'm talking about your specific person. I'm talking about marriage. I'm talking about love. I'm talking about money. I'm talking about abundance. I'm talking about whatever it is you desire to manifest. You're going to want to use this simple technique. The exciting thing about this technique, high flyers, is you will see results the very first day. It's that powerful. Now, you've heard the old saying, what we think about, we bring about. So when you're thinking about something, when something is being mulled over, even in your subconscious mind throughout the day, you're manifesting, you're attracting, you're drawing whatever it is you desire to you. So there's a lot of variations of this Neville Goddard method, but I'm going to give you the one that I use. It works for me. I've gotten tremendous result, and you will too. Because what it does is it gets me focused. It keeps me clear. It keeps me energized and magnetized toward whatever it is I desire. Now, I know somebody is going to write me and say, can I do 2 at a time? Can I do 3 at a time? And the answer is, why? Let's focus on one important intention and manifest it and then move on to the next one. Doesn't that make more sense? Okay, here's what I do. Get yourself one of these little sticky notes like so. And you're going to write out your intention right here. And it's going to be clear. But let me give you a big secret that a lot of people miss. You have to write out the intention in present tense. I am manifesting, or I am attracting, or I have a new car. I am in a committed relationship with my specific person. Whatever it is that's important to you, but it must be written out in present tense. Now, the best time to do this is do it at nighttime, and then take your little sticky note after you've written out your intention and place it right on your mirror. High flyers, I placed my intention on my bathroom mirror before I go to sleep at night. Now, here's the reason I do that. I do that so that all night long in my subconscious mind, I am mulling over the fact that I have now manifested my intention. A text message, a phone call, a specific person, money, love, success, health, whatever it is you desire. So, step one, write down a specific intention and make it in present tense. It's absolutely, I'm going to emphasize this again. It's absolutely essential that you make it in present tense and then go to sleep. The next morning, when you get up and you go about your day, look into the mirror, look into your eyes. Your eyes are the window of the soul. So look into your own soul and state your intention a minimum of 3 times, but feel it. Feel Feel the presence of whatever it was you desired, like it's already manifested, like it's already yours. By the way, step number 3 requires that you state your affirmation aloud. In other words, you state your intention or affirmation aloud. You don't just say it in your mind, you literally have to voice it. It's important that you hear yourself saying it. Next, go about your day, whatever it is, and expect whatever you desire, whatever you wrote down there, to show up the very same day. Don't expect it a month from now. Don't expect it in 2 months. Expect it right now. Let me just say this. If by chance you don't receive everything you desire that day, then just simply repeat it the next day. I had one desire that went 20 some days, like 23 days. And then bam, it came, but it was much bigger than I thought. It was much better than I thought it could ever be. I had visualized as if I had already received it and I felt good, but I never felt as good as when I actually received it, and a whole lot more. Okay, so stay with it. Don't give up on it. This really works. It's called the mirror technique. It's based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. I've given you a few little twists, a few little ways to make it a little bit more empowering. And hey, it only takes you 10 seconds, 10 seconds to write down your affirmation or your intention on a sticky note and put it on your mirror before you go to bed at night. That's simple. You can do that and you can get anything you want. And now, here's a meditation I want you to try because I know it will help you with your intentions and with your journey.